Okay, I got a special package here today. This right here. Let me show you guys, and then I'll explain why I got this. A little hint. Here it is. So if you guys watch my other videos, you probably know that I have the iPhone X. Amazing, amazing phone. But there are some issues with it, and I'll get to that. I just want to open this, the unboxing of the Google Pixel 2. Oh, this just lifts up. Should I do it this way? Too dangerous, too dangerous. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There it is. Let's see what else is inside the box, even though probably the same thing, the manual. Oh, this is cool. USB-A, Type A to USB Type C. Pretty nice packaging. That's the charger. I never had a USB Type C charger for a phone before. Here's the auxiliary headphone jack. Probably won't need that. I do have a wireless headphone. Here's the charger. This charger right here, it said charge this whole phone in 15 minutes. I think that's pretty cool. We're gonna have to test that and see how fast it really charges. So I'm gonna put all this away for now. I won't need the auxiliary, so I'll leave that in there. Ooh, I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna hold on to that. Alright, let's just put everything aside. Okay, this isn't like your regular unboxing video. Definitely you'll see people use a desk. I actually don't have a desk, so I'm sitting on my bed. Use what you got. Wow, it's so light compared to my iPhone. It's the same size, but the screen is a lot bigger, but this phone is so light. I like it. I like it so far. The reason why I switched from iPhone to the Pixel 2, this iPhone X, it's an amazing phone. You know, the screen is amazing, the gesture is amazing, the camera is pretty good. The camera is pretty good, but not for what I do. I'm a barber. I take pictures of haircuts, and when I take the pictures, the haircuts needs to come out very sharp. Every single time I've noticed, if I don't use my GH5, which I always do anyways, but sometimes I want to just use my phone. I mean, it has an amazing portrait camera. I want to use it and see how good it really is, but every time I use it, the face is extremely clear, but the hair and the outer edges, it's just too blurry to use. That's one of them. The second thing is I keep experiencing the touchscreen not working. I try to type and then halfway through the spacebar won't work. The keyboard just won't work sometimes, so I have to close out the app and reopen it over and over. After a while, it becomes a pain. The face recognition, amazing. It's really good. Sometimes if you look at it, it opens right away just like that. It's open. But I don't always pick up my phone and just look at it like that. There's sometimes that I'm laying on my bed and I'm opening it. That never works. Maybe 50% of the time. When I'm driving, sunglasses never work. I kind of have to lift my sunglasses up every single time, which is annoying. But I know you guys are saying, you shouldn't be texting and driving anyways. But I'm not the only one. You know who you are. Well, those are a few things that I have a problem with the iPhone X. I know it's probably not enough to switch for some of you guys, but for me, I think it's enough. The Google Pixel 2. The reason why I didn't get the XL version is because I don't like the phone being too big. I like it small, fit in my pocket. I don't want this big old brick just going into my pocket and this square just popping out. It's weird. I've had an iPhone Plus before and I think it's just too big. This isn't a review about the specs or how great each phone is. This is just simply what I prefer at the moment, and right now the iPhone just isn't doing it for me. I want to try this. The fingerprint scan, I saw it's amazingly fast, super fast, so I want to test that out myself. The only thing I'm worried about is I have everything Apple. Apple Watch, Apple AirPod, Apple TV, Apple MacBook, and Android phone. I have not used an Android device in a long time. I'm kind of scared and worried of all these different things about it that I might not like. Biggest thing I'm gonna miss is the AirDrop. If you have not used the AirDrop, get on it. That's probably the best thing that iPhone has. And group texting. Group texting between iPhone users are, well, enough ranting about these two phones. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Google Pixel 2. Gonna sell the iPhone X or give it to my brother's girlfriend and have her take over the monthly payment. So I'm gonna power this bad boy on and get some usage time on it, and then I'll give you guys a review probably in a week or two and let you know what I think about the phone compared to my old iPhone X. Alright, so if you guys enjoy this video, hit that like button and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.